Welcome to Inner Child Healing Circle, module number 3, paying gratitude to our physical body. This module is going to be of two parts. First 21 days, we are going to write letters to our inner child saying how beautiful she is. When you were born as a baby, you were so much in love with yourself. You loved everything about you, even the poop and pee didn't bother you. Everything about you just loved. But based on the comments from others, you're too pale, you're too dark, you're too fat, you're too thin, your eyes are big, your nose is big, your ears are small, your teeth are big. So you must have heard a lot of comments about your body from others. You could have created some beliefs based on those comments. The first 21 days, we are going to write letters to our inner child saying how beautiful she looks. And I would like you to address the specific problems you have regarding your physical appearance when you were a child. And for the next 21 days, you're going to write letters to yourself, the adult version of yourself. Why are we having two modules in this? Because the body has changed a lot since you were like 10 and now. So I'm planning this to be of two modules. So in this second part, you write letters to your adult version where you're going to write love to every part of your body. I love my scalp. I love my hair. I love my forehead. I love my eyebrows. I love my eyes. When you write each and every part in your letter, then that's when you find something challenging. You may not love your nose as much as you love your hair. You may not love your waistline as much as you love your nose. So I want you to write everything about you. I love your height, I love your weight, I love your waistline, I love your skin color, everything about you. So when you write these modules, you might find challenging. You might feel like you are not um, writing something that is true, but that's okay. When you keep repeating it, that's when you start creating beliefs. That's when you can start coming out of all the negative body image you're having on yourself. I would like to imagine like this. We are like Kamal Hassan, and Kamal Hassan, he chooses every movie with a goal. In this movie, I'm going to use all my acting skills. I'm going to improve my acting skills. And in that, let's say we take one movie number 1, where he wants to improve his acting skills, and in that he takes a role from um, he's from a village, and he doesn't he's not his usual handsome uh, hero, but he's like, his hair is all tangled, and his teeth is all colored, and he has some nose ring, or he has some tattoos, all those things he plans, carefully designs, and then he gets into the movie, he plays the part. At the end of the movie, his acting skills are of course, whatever he planned for that movie, it could have he could have been he could have improved all those things that he wanted from this movie. And then he chooses movie number 2, where he is this handsome guy, where there are 2 3 women who are always falling for him, and he's a very charming guy. And in that movie, he wants to, uh, by doing this movie, he wanted to improve improve the way he looks, the way he walks, the way he charms the ladies, and his the way he rides bikes, and all those things must have improved after that movie number two. And there would be movie number three where he would fall sick, and because of his sickness, some changes in the story happens. uh, so all these things are there, so he carefully designs what kind of what is his look for that movie, and what his liver does in this movie. So he might be getting he's getting sick, and then mm, the storyline changes based on that. And in the end of movie number three, he would have learnt whatever he wanted to. So that is how we are also choosing our body for every birth. In this lifetime, whatever we want to learn, based on that, we choose a body. Whatever body we have now is exactly what we wanted to get a learning out of this life. And I also like to imagine like this: in every birth, we have a different body, where in one birth we would have been very tall. In one birth, we would have been very short. In one birth, we would have been a man. In another birth, we would have been a woman. In one birth, we are having a skin that is very clear, and in another birth, we have a skin with lot of pimples. There should be a birth where we were physically challenged. So, so we do not know what happened in our previous life, or what's going, if we have other lives, what kind of body we were going to choose. But I would like to imagine and compare this with how Kamal Hassan does his movies. So in every birth we have a goal, and whatever body we have chosen now is exactly for what kind of life we want to have in this birth. So this body houses us for so many years, and if we are not in love with our body, then it is if we are not paying gratitude to our body, then the most of the time we are spending on self work is not very effective. And it's not fair for us not to love our body. Our body houses us for like so many years, since our birth, at least since our birth till now. See how many years our body is with us, and it's only fair to pay gratitude. So this in this module we are going to write letters. In module 3, first part, we are going to write letters to our inner child, saying how beautiful she is. As a mom, you're seeing your child, you say you're beautiful. I love your eyes, I love your teeth, I love the way you look, I love the way you smile, I love the way you walk. Everything, you're just going to admire the child you were. And in the second part, you address every part of your body and say thank you, and say it's very beautiful. And at the end of 42 days, I want you to write, I want you to consolidate all your learnings from these 42 days. Why we are having 42 days? Because there are two 21 days module. So I want you to consolidate everything that you have learned, all the changes that you have gone through, This consolidation helps you to reinforce your learning, and it keeps your learnings permanent. All your changes are permanent, and you don't go back to your uh, you don't go back to the person you were before you started this module. You stay in this evolved state regarding your whatever the mental state you're having about your body, the body image, how the image you're having after the 42nd day will be much different than before we start this module. So to all the beautiful participants here, let's start loving our body.